Hey everyone, just wanted to reach out and see how you all were doing, and I hope you're all staying healthy and safe at home. Just want to touch base with everyone about this final week of class we have. The semester officially ends Tuesday, but as far as our assignments and objectives for this course, that'll be this week, will be your final week of those types of assignments. This week I did post a number of videos, forums, and lectures. I basically combined the last couple of weeks of class into one. I did get rid of a few things, but there will be a little more than typical, but I have extended the due date for those from Friday evening until Sunday evening. So you have till Sunday at 11:59 to complete the assignments for the week. I did also want to point out that the life event assignment is due on Friday by 11:59. For that assignment, I ask that you write a 1 to 2 page paper that includes a summary of the life event, how it relates to this class, and how it relates to social welfare, and then finally, what your thoughts were and what you got out of the event. You can just put that in a forum, or you can write up a Word document and then attach that in the forum. You do not have to worry about turning in a life event slip. That was for when you guys would actually be able to go out to an event. And since you can't, it won't be necessary to turn that in. So just put everything in the forum section. I do also want to point out that I sent a link this weekend for a policy change where the university is allowing students to opt out of some of the grades that they receive for final grades they receive for courses, and so that they will not factor into your GPA. That's mostly for students who may have found it challenging to change from face-to-face courses to an online course, and that really won't apply here, although I believe the policy is open to everyone. The one I sent was geared towards the social work department and social work students, but there is also a link listed for the university as a whole and how that might affect students of other disciplines. So check that out, and if you feel like that's something that you need to take advantage of, I strongly advise you talking to your academic advisor about that and what the next best steps would be for you. I'll be happy to try to answer any questions you have, although I'm not completely sure of all the details. I have the gist of what the policy reads. Next up, I want to, the final exam review. As I mentioned, I did post that this weekend for you guys. Please take your time, study, go through the exam questions. There will be 5 of those, 8 or 9, however many I listed on the final exam. It'll be just like the midterm. Some areas where students struggled on the midterm were not citing their work in the answers that they provided, or also not citing the references at the end of each entry. So please make sure you do that. Please also remember that 4 or 5 sentences does not answer the questions fully. These are essay questions. They are worth 20 points each. So a few sentences are not going to answer it. And several students lost a lot of points by just providing a few sentences without any detail or very little detail. So that is ready for you to start studying by and preparing your answers for the final exam. I will be posting that sometime next week. And once I do, I will put out another video just kind of highlighting the directions again and then telling you about when the due date is and when you have to have it done. I believe that's it. I just wanted to let everyone know about these upcoming days, this upcoming week, and your upcoming due dates. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to reach out to me by emailing or just writing in the frequently asked questions or the announcements section of As You Learn. Hope everyone has a great week, and I will be in touch again with another video next week. Y'all take care.